I stand tall because the sky can no longer hold me. Choosing between losing and creating
I'm leaving the building. I quit my job. I've never seen anything like that in my life. It is over, Reggie Miller. It's over.
Are you kidding me?
It is done.
Bird's eye view.
Hip hop, there's so many things you can say about it. You feel me? Like, on the real, like, hip hop is just beautiful. Hip hop is life.
From the first time I saw you, infatuation pulled to the side to provide conversation. Wild reputation, but you were so cool. Any old fool that you was a Jew. Ghetto to ghetto, get influence settle. More hardcore than R&B, but not metal. Blacker than a kettle, you made me feel mellow. Introduction of my life, I said hello. Meet me in a minute, cause I got a finish school. Some of my homies ain't never finished the homework. Staying up late, always studying the tape. The more I watch you feeling love, I guess fate had a grip on my mind state. I wanna rhyme, wait. I feel a line getting signed at the wrong gates. Until my heart breaks, the first for real. But I would still be loving you, cause deep is what I feel. I got a bird's eye view. I got a bird's eye view.
They lob it up high. James, this time, puts it up in the air for Howard.
I got a bird's eye view.
Much bigger physical teams. A great look from the wing. Doing finds Howard underneath.
She's my heart, my mind, my spirit and my bones. She's the only one I know that would go across the globe. Meet me in a foreign land, treat me like I'm home. Everything I own, give to her, she deserves it. Treat me like a king, every syllable is perfect. Searching the earth for a reason just to be here. Answers I matter every moment like a leap year. Baby, you can sleep here, you can stay with me. Anywhere you go, know I'm probably gonna be full of energy, and you never acting tired. You everything I need when I pray love supply.
My goodness.
Lessons you provide, always in my life to the day that I die. I got a bird's eye view.